Hello guys, welcome back into a new video. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can play GTA 5 on your mobile phone without even downloading it. So if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe, like and share this video to all your friends. So you can see on the screen that I am playing GTA 5 through my mobile phone. So the trick I will be giving today will be 100% working and it will be working on every device. So let's start the video. So for playing the game, you will have to install one app from the Google Play Store and the name of the app is Chiki. Then you will have to open the app and you will have to search GTA 5 and you will get the option. So you will have to click on enter and after you click on enter, you will have to click on play. So here you will have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes and after that you will enter in the game.
Come to daddy. Which one you want, nigga?
Like that? Bobby big dick on a nigga, huh?
Shit, for real, homie? Damn, this motherfucker got robo roof and everything, nigga.
He should have paid the nizzo.
So if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel and please share this video to all your friends who want to play GTA 5 in their mobile phone. Thank you.